Help me on the phone. What can you play? What can you play? What did they talk? Who the man? Who give money for Uja? If you don't carry this thing, come on. Uja can. Break am. Hello guys, it's your boy Ipalitoka, aka Gabriel the voice note guy, and I'm with my guy.
Keme.
Keme is my blood. Keme is my friend. We've known for a very, very long time. And today we want to do a prank together. Now, Keme, who want prank?
My aboki will supply me water.
Confirm. See, there's this aboki of his that supplies water to him for a long time now. The boy too good. Even me, I don't text I see the boy before on 1 or 2 occasions. The boy gets good attitude, very respectful young boy. Sweet, vibrant young boy. We're supposed to for university or rather supposed don't get work. But you know the way the country did now. So, Keme, I won't do it today.
I go like, you get where in the fetch the water. Anytime they drive, I see them there. So, I go like more go there. Go prank him. You understand?
Apparently, today na the guy birthday, Abi.
Yeah, na in birthday. He tell me 3 days ago.
I didn't know it's na in birthday.
No, I think come supply me water that 3 days ago. Now he tell me, say, okay, Baba, 3 days ago, after 3 days go be my birthday. Now I call laugh. I call say,
like today will not be the 3 days.
Yes, which is today. Now I call say, Aboki said this, celebrate birthday.
Okay. See, guys, let's not talk too much. We are going to go and prank him because today happens to be the boy's birthday. So we'll go and prank him and give him the prank of his life. I just pray that everything comes out as planned. You guys should relax and watch out for this masterpiece. How much you want to give him again?
I mean, say I'll give her 100 now.
Oga, you know say me I no get money. I don't spend my money tire. My eye they told me already. No. You get money, make am 200.
No, Baba, no problem.
200.
No problem, Baba.
You don't say I get money, I have to add something because as stands now, I need to find money. Anyways, 200k for the aboki. Let's go. Aboki, what did they worry you now? Eh? Nine minutes, Abi?
Nah, you know.
9 minutes?
Nah, you.
My office motor.
What is your problem?
Aboki, what did they worry you?
That's I don't know what I do.
You know what you do? Aboki, you don't know what you do?
I don't know what I do.
Why you say this guy bad water?
Now clean water they give. I don't do. I never say any bad water give him more.
Why you mean saying the lie?
So they tell me say me I dey lie, Abi? Now clean water they.
Now the first time they buy water for your hand be this.
Why you selling bad water? They ask you.
Now clean water they say for. I never say I'm bad.
Wait, now the first time I dey buy water for your hand for you.
No.
See when you buy they do you well.
Yes.
When you tell me say okay, say your wife get belle for not, I not send money give you.
You been saying give me.
So why you won't come kill me now?
Why you want kill him? Why you want kill my friend?
This water na clean water, no be dirty water.
This water na clean water.
Wetin dey talk?
This water na clean water.
Wetin dey talk?
This water na when they say na clean water.
I go say this water na clean water. This water na clean water. Na clean water be this.
I'm gonna clean water.
Aboki, if you not tell me the truth, I will arrest you. If I vex pass like this, I go arrest you.
Wetin I do you? Wetin I do you? They pay you.
Why you dey sell bad water?
They pay you.
No, answer me.
Gonna clean water.
Wetin you talk? They pay you.
No, but leave am. Just so I don't enter my eye. Leave am. Wait. This guy, you dey supply water, Abi?
Yes, I supply.
Okay, since when you dey supply water, he don't do any bad thing.
Ask am. Just let me ask am.
No, he never do me.
He don't do any bad thing, Abi?
He never do me any bad thing.
So why you don't decide to sell am bad water when
I don't know.
This water na clean water. Since why they sell water, they na clean water. They
Now to arrest this guy.
Okay, now to arrest you.
Now to arrest this guy.
Just wait for me, I go arrest you. Now to
You
arrest
know
him.
they go anywhere.
Wait, no, you won't move.
You know
If
they
you
go move.
If you try nonsense, if you try nonsense with me,
Come on here.
I don't know what I do now.
you know what you do us.
You go no.
You know what you do us. You know what you do us, Abi. No,
Now small thing I make me I never slap you. Small
No,
thing I make.
slap.
No,
Me no be saying I want him. So wait, so now what you dey do? This guy never dey try for you.
You go ask him now.
How many times you tell me say you dey give this guy shame?
I don't even fit count am.
So now so you want to
I
do?
don't fit count.
No,
That's what you want to do.
No, be so I want to do.
That's what you want to do.
No.
No wahala.
They call they give me bad water.
You dey give am bad water.
Me na they give bad water.
No, na clean water. They
Okay, wait. If they buy water for your hand, say they bath.
Yes.
To bath and to put for kitchen. Because you know that this area where we stay, the water is not good. Normally, I say, okay, we're going to pay you very well, at least Every gallon, how much they pay? Not 200 naira.
200 naira now.
200 naira.
Who they buy gallon of water? 200
Who they buy gallon of
naira.
water? 200 naira for your hand.
Nobody.
Who they buy gallon of water? 200 naira for your hand.
Nobody. No only you.
Then you want kill me?
I don't want to kill you.
You want kill me with bad water?
This water not clean water. No water.
Why do you say water na clean water?
Yes, yes, na clean water.
Let me know this phone. Help me on this phone. What can you play? What can you play?
What did they talk?
Eh? You say that water na clean water?
I go see na clean water be this. This water na clean water. Na clean.
Na clean water be this.
Oh my God.
Okay, now you charge your jerrycan. I never pump you. Man, see, man.
What did they talk?
I never pump you. I never pump you. Wait, that's what kind we play. Eh? Na clean water.
Na clean water the cell phone. I never do anything.
You dey fuck up, oh you. You dey fuck up. I go pump you, eh? You dey don't.
They do anyhow. You dey do anyhow.
You dey say me come to tie this na clean water. I go.
Now, come on, arrest this man.
Okay, I go. Shut up your mouth. Don't you tell me I leave the man. You're mad. Come on for there. No anybody don't do for you. You tell me I leave the man. You're toast. They start for
Come, make arrest this man. Make this man come up for
you.
you.
If you not talking, I go.
They do anyhow for you.
You, eh?
You can't walk, oh.
I go.
You can't walk.
I go
I
punish
go
your
break
truck.
all the.
Go punish your truck.
Okay, please.
You no go shut up your mouth. Your stupid face. What girl? See, don't try me, oh. Don't try me.
You don't even know where you stand.
Don't try me.
All the money wey person dey pay, they still carry nonsense without they come dey give person.
Na clean water now they give you.
They carry nonsense without they come dey
Well,
give person. Make I get sickness wey I no understand.
See. Oya, carry your truck. They push your truck one for here. I don't want to see for this town from today, eh? I don't want to see for this town again. If I see for this, I go send boys beat you.
Carry this thing come over here.
Oh God, I know give money for my.
Carry.
Okay, man, give me money for your car. Okay, see.
Pump you.
Okay, man. Man, give money for
If you don't carry this thing come over
Who
here,
you can?
break am o.
Who
Carry
you
this
can?
thing come over here.
Oh God, what I use feed my family.
What did they tell you? What did they feed your family? So you want to make you work in another person's family?
Then you gonna feed your own abi.
Then you gonna feed your own.
Make another person
You
family
don't-
die.
See, okay, now, see, they ginger you for here. You don't say anybody don't save you. Because they know us for this town. Nobody go fit fuck, nobody go fit jump. They know our doings. No so much way pass, no say pass. You don't even get our time.
You no wan do well abi.
If I hold you stand, yeah.
You no wan do well. You go carry this thing come over for here o.
Leave am.
Na clean water now they sell.
Leave am. No wahala. See, this is not the last time, where I won't see you or anything wey concern you.
Make they arrest this man there. Make they arrest am.
Calm down. We don't scatter two of in your can already. This one are your punishment for being stupid. Your punishment for being useless.
You no go dey careful. You go dey carry anyhow water dey come dey give person.
Your punishment for being stupid and useless. I don't blame me. Now, I mean, they go follow my friends. Say you baby. Sticky say you baby.
Just carry bad water come dey give people.
Well, wait for me. Just wait. Don't go anywhere. Wait for
Come
me.
on here.
Wait for me. Don't
Anything
wait
wey
for
make
me.
you move,
Wait for me.
If
Don't
you
wait for
just
me.
move, if you move,
Let me
if you
hold this
move this your leg come out for here. If you move this leg come out for here. No just drag that trouser up again. Na me na dey sell you make you come key.
Na clean water.
Something dey worry you well.
You
Na clean water.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you. Okay, guys. Okay, come. Okay, guys. See, I was spraying this for you on the line, but I actually can't do that because the government of if you want to try, calm down now.
Relax.
But I can't do that because
Just
the
calm
government
down,
of
no
today
worry.
says we should not spray money. I mean,
Normal.
Someone know they spray money. So let me tell you the truth. This guy, this your guy with the supply water. He's just quiet. Guy, you humble. I don't go lie.
You are correct, guy.
You humble. See, okay, this is your guy
Okay,
where they supply water. He come in time say you don't say today na your birthday. Say boy, he don't promise say he go show you love.
Yeah.
Say he go send you something me
Say
over.
go show me love.
But today we decided that okay, since he say he won't give you 100k. I say no, man, try and make her like 200. Because he can't agree. I say okay, no wahala. So now make you say, go and see at least maybe you get something sent, go give your family for naught. Yeah. So bro, don't be from me, from my guy to you, in collaboration with me, I'm giving you a sum of 200k. No worry, sorry say we break your gallon with ginger. You don't try. No.
Calm down now. You the correct guy.
Sorry for what happened.
No vex.
So see this your gallon there, man. No worry, we'll get everything for you. And so this one they don't spoil already. No worry. See, this work normally, they think of to convert you for this one, but for now, just manage this one.
No vex.
Send something to your parents, to your people from village. No, what I'll do it.